Charles Darwin's notion, it's not the strongest of the species survive, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change, and who calls himself a man of faith. Distinguished guests, excellencies, faculty and staff, proud parents, fellow colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to extend my welcome and evening to you all. It is a gratifying moment. Looking around, I can see many familiar faces, peers, past and present colleagues. Today is our graduation. This is our moment in time. A day we begin to learn and to look through the eyes of each other, to find out and experience what the world is like for them. It is also the day we grow bigger than our differences, despite the odds and ends. But my fellow graduates, this is not yet the end, but just a beginning of another phase in the lifetime quest for learning. When we first entered into this academy, we were skeptical. All of us had been pulled out from our comfort zones and pushed into a completely new milieu, having new rules, new professors, and new peers. Some of us realized right away that things would be different and tried to adapt to this new atmosphere, while others clung to their old values and stubbornly refused to let go. Once Ethiopian, always Ethiopian. For sure, all of us would agree that studying at TUP Visayas is not that easygoing. Quizzes here, exams there, and more projects to come. Just like naka-GISman, tres man galing perme, pero pasar-pasar lang. For 3 years of Calvary, it's just like you had surpassed the gigantic obstacle in life. Hence, being a student in this institution is no joke. To survive TUPV, one must always be constantly prepared and continuously having the perseverance and determination in his or her studies. This will be the resilience that will keep us from ever failing in the future. As years passed by, first year, second, and third year, the edge of studying in this institution is that you have the privilege to work with different industries and push into the real world of your profession, the supervised industrial training. This one turned my passion into profession as being an electronics engineer someday. And now, let me share to you the moments and experiences during my 5-month stay at Maxim Integrated. I have been grateful that Maxim offered an internship program in this institution. With that, Maxim had impacted much my life of being an ECE student. At first, I had realized that attitude is the key to our progress. Nevertheless, as what my boss said before I ended my training there, Cleo, do not ever forget, for success, attitude is equally as important as ability. It inspires me and motivated me so much to study well and pursue my dreams in life. Over the years, I have come to realize the importance of the role that engineers and technicians play in today's society. In these changing times, there is an exploration of more sustainable sources of energy, looking for ways to lessen dreadful matters, and it is our task as future Filipino engineers and technicians to find those answers. We have the ability to bring about great change in innovation. We will be going out into the world, each of us on different paths, following different dreams. May you have every success, may you work hard and play straight, may you hold your head high, may our paths still cross from time to time, may you go with all your heart. But take note, my fellow graduates, should always remember that no spring skips its turn. Never quit. Life is hope itself. Let's stay confident and be reminded that opportunity comes if we seek it. From where I am now, I glance at the delightful sight of proud parents and guardians who have struggled hard for their families, whether near or far. Fulfilled teachers and mentors who have dedicated their lives in molding us and sharing knowledge and values. Friends and relatives with no other purpose of coming but to witness and share the happiness we felt this moment. Let us now face our academy, the Technological University of the Philippines, Visayas, the school administrators, the faculty and staff, and most of all, our dear mentors. I salute not only for the knowledge you have shared to us, but most of all, the experiences we have felt being your sons and daughters in our second home, the TUP Visayas. The gift of ability to grow and go from strength was patiently fostered and consciously inculcated by you. We are grateful and privileged to have your valuable input in our lives, the true value of which we may only fully comprehend in the years to come. We are prepared